Hello friends, this is Agnes from agnescraft and I'm so excited to show you the gifts I got for making this quilling project. This one I have submitted for the 4 elements 50 days quilling challenge, and it consists of 4 elements: the birds, flowers, leaves, butterflies and honeybees. And this is what I did. Have a view. I hope you will like it. And the birds, I have done another one, but I'm not happy with it and I just replaced it, but still I will use it as a quilling card. And the butterfly and the flowers, I even changed the flowers and I'm really happy with the outcome. And I'm one among the 3 winners of this quilling challenge, and I am so thankful for the judges and the sponsor who gave the prize. So now let's see the prize. I have already opened it. I'm so excited and can't wait until I make this video. So these are the gift boxes and let me show what they have. Quilling tools, 3 quilling tools, one with a much bigger slot, next one and this one. Okay, all 3 has slots with different sizes, and this one also has an embossing tool. Okay, this will be helping to emboss. We can use it for typography, or when we make our cards we can use it to emboss the letters or to make folds in the cards. And then this one, this is the box full of quilling tools. The mold, scissors, crimper. It has 2 crimping pads, and this crimper is, these 2 sizes are smaller than the one which I have, so I'm so happy. And glue and with the fine tip, it also has glue, the circle sizer, pins, slotted tool and a needle tool. This needle is thicker, maybe I should give it a try. And comb, tweezer, and so many colorful straps. Wow, so nice. Now you know how excited will I be. And this one, wow, it has so many shapes. The foam board, it also has markings, and a thank you card, the instruction tools. Okay, and they also have a paper roller. It will be useful. Okay, now coming to the next box. Actually I opened this already, as said earlier, and I have arranged it. This is all metallic paper strips. See, they have 24 colors and they have named them all. So I checked this and arranged them, and my next work is to just number them as given in their list. I will just number them and then I will make samples. For the samples, this is what I have done with the paper strips which I already have from Quilling Hub. I just make tight coils of all the colors, give them the number along with their name, so that next time when I'm going for making a quilling project and when I need a color, I'll pick this up and just check them with the colors and then use it. this is really helpful for me. And if you want to know more about making these samples, then you could check my previous video, which I will link above. So now I will write down the numbers in each of them, and then I will make the samples as above. Now let me explain how I use this. As soon as I decide a project, I just search, make more research on the internet to find some pictures. Maybe for example, for the birds, I was searching for so many birds so that they come along with the flowers so that I can match the colors, because I'm not good at matching colors. And this is a really colorful one. I think this is the most colorful one which I have tried till date. But this one, so when I got picture of the bird, I took my sample just to the system screen, computer screen, and then check for each of the colors so that which goes well with each other, because this is the only way I know to choose colors. I think this will be somewhat helpful for you, and I hope you all like this project as much as I did. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please comment below whatever you want me to put a tutorial on, and don't forget to subscribe me and give a like button, give a thumbs up for my video. Thank you so much.